Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You already know the goal, so start writing the first lines now. Begin with a sharp headline that signals value, then draft a concise lead explaining what's next and why it matters. Once done, insert the primary action, a button, link, or form cue, and label it in plain language so users recognize the benefit. Make sure to keep the tone consistent with the previous page. This continuity reduces friction and primes readers to continue without hesitation or confusion. Now map the body for clarity and flow. You should order content by urgency, immediate needs first, then supporting details, and finally optional context so you don't overwhelm the reader. Once organized, convert each idea into a short paragraph and add subheads that preview the benefit. This makes scanning efficient. Make sure to include one trust element, a statistic, testimonial, or credential near the action area so users feel confident taking the next step. Complete the page by tightening the action and adding a brief reminder of what happens after they click. You should remove any competing links and keep the call to action visible without scrolling on common devices. Once finished, read aloud to catch awkward phrasing and verify the flow from the previous page. If performance falters, run a simple A/B test. Tweak CTA wording, move the trust element, or simplify the headline. That pinpoint testing quickly reveals what blocks users from proceeding.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.